Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a video from photos on Instagram Reel. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to click on this plus icon to create Instagram Reel, and I'm going to select Reel. I'm gonna tap Reel right here, and I'm going to create Reel video with my photo. I'm just going to pick a random photo from my gallery. Okay, I'm just going to select 5 photos, and after that I'm going to click on next. Okay, and then this clip will be synced with the track automatically. If you want to sync your clips with the audio, you can search for the audio right here. You can go to the search menu, or you can select the suggested audio, and for me I'm just going to search for music. For example, I'm going to select wait guys, I'm going to type in the audio I'm going to use for my Instagram reel. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then I'm just going to select that. Okay, and now the auto sync has been activated, and I'm going to click on next. But if you don't want to sync your audio with the track, you just need to skip this step guys, and then I'm gonna click on next. And if you're still not satisfied with the auto sync, you can sync the audio by clicking on this edit video, and here you will be able to sync the transition with the track. You can also apply transition like this. I'm just going to select this flare transition, and if you want to apply some transition to all your clips, you can click on apply to all. Okay, and now it's done guys. This is the result, and you can add text or sticker to your editing, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and then I'm going to click on this icon to go to the next tab. Okay, and once you're ready to post your video or reel video, you can click on share, and the Instagram reel will be shared to your account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make a video from photos on Instagram reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.